I'm Chad.
I'm Dad. No, wait a minute, I'm supposed to be Dad first.
Oh yeah, you're Dad.
I'm Dad.
I'm Chad. And this is our channel. All right guys, wanted to show you how easy this VPX is to pin if you need to. So there were 4 wires that were left out by Pacific Coast. There's just a little miscommunication on, these are the lights for the wings, or the wires that go to the lights for the wings. So these are all clearly labeled. So this is J10 and this is J12. You can't see it because I've got this guy screwed down. So I already pinned this one. So we've got 3 left, and you unclip this guy. And then in here, there's these 2 little indentations or cutouts. And you want to take a screwdriver and gently pry this up. Don't do it very hard, because if you pull this plastic completely off the white, you have to throw this thing away. It's no good anymore, according to VPX. So, Dad, will you hold this while I do that? So, gently, and that's it. It'll click. See, you hear the click? Now it's completely up. And then you can go back here, it's numbered. So this is 1 through 6. Oh, sorry, 1 through 5 and 6 through 10. It looks like we're gonna be using, I don't know, we've only got 1 pin. We need to look at this over, Dad. Okay, we got that figured out. 3 of them going to J12, 1 of them goes into J10. I was like, wait a minute, we've only got 1 hole in J10, 3 of them aren't going in there. So this guy.
So we've got pretty good odds of getting it in the right hole.
Yeah, well, Sean up there went ahead and labeled these, you know, yeah. VPX J10 pin number 6. So this is J10. I'm sorry, this is J10. And looky there, pin number 6 is not populated. So there's a little groove right here, or a little indentation, and that guy needs to match up with that little groove here. And the wire everything wants to twist, so try to grab it far back, a couple inches back, and then number 6, you want to keep it straight, push, click. Close that, you're done. So now I've got to do 2 more in this one, but you guys get it. Like I said, you pop this up, don't pull it too far. Once you hear it click, there'll be an initial click when it breaks loose, and then there'll be a final click, and that's where it wanting to pop down. But
it doesn't go in, that means it slid back down.
Yeah, that's done. So
okay.
All right. That's how you do the VPX pinning. Very simple, easier than I thought it was going to be.
What are you doing, babe?
I am working on this airplane that we haven't worked on in a while. We got the radio plate back from powder coat. And it's that thing I've been working on it for a while. You forget. Fire extinguisher came in too.
Yeah, it's cutie.
Yep. So that's a halon fire extinguisher, because if you use like an ABC or something, it has powder. It goes on everything. It's corrosive. Everything will rust. Do not use a powder style ABC fire extinguisher. Use a gas style halon. We bought that in Aircraft Spruce. And I believe it was right at $200 and some odd cents after shipping. So it's supposed to be good for 12 years. The reviews I've been reading aren't very good. So I'm hoping it lasts 12 years, or it says it lasts 12 years. You weigh it every year to see if it's good, because there's no date on it. Yeah.
I got a screwdriver.
Oh, here it is. Here's the nut plate, and then here's the. Okay, so we got 2 different. Okay. All right. Where's your screwdriver at? Get the right one.
That's the one I got on the table.
Just be careful.
So what are you doing?
Taking these screws out. We gotta get this panel off. Go ahead and go to the next one.
Number two.
I gotta get to these rivets back here to hold this plate up. Give me that other screwdriver, please. Yeah, that's why I asked you. Did you get the right one?
I think it's already been watered out.
Should be like an Allen head or something.
Lots of things it should be.
Hmm?
But there's lots of things on here that should be.
Should be. Oh. Got it?
I got it this side.
Okay.
I think you already had those riveted. They need to be drilled out. You had it riveted once. They need to be drilled out.
Yes. Let's go. I'm gonna have to get two more of those then. Since we had to drill them out. Plus we bought some.
I bought some. I think I bought some. But they might have been AAP 242.
Okay. Hey guys, thanks for watching another episode of Dad and Chad.
If you like this video, share it with your friends and give us a thumbs up,
And never miss an episode of Dad and Chad by hitting that subscribe button.
because we'll be back next Tuesday with another episode.
Thanks again for watching
Dad?
and Chad.